Welcome back to Optimized Health, where we're making easy, healthy, and delicious meals. Today, guys, we have a couple of random things. One, very importantly, is that we are needing to migrate our channel to another address. It's going to be same us, same content, but we just need you guys to please go to this address that will be in the description below. Apologize for any inconvenience because we really appreciate all of your support and following and subscribing. And I wanted to make sure that this was also very interesting and adding some value to your day. So we are always talking about some of these fringe scientific concepts when it comes to health and wellness.
You should talk to your doctor, healthcare provider, or veterinarian to see if any of these recipes, suggestions, or contents of these videos are right for you. Nothing contained in these videos are intended to be taken as medical advice. Use at your own risk.
And one thing that has been debunked that people still think is sort of a fringe concept is cholesterol and how it's important or not as important. So we want to debunk it using this lady who is a PhD expert in the field. It's Dr. Nina Teicholz, and she does have some books. We might be able to also include that in the description below so you guys can check out more from her and to, just verify what we're saying is coming from her, that the government has no limits on cholesterol as far as the guidelines go as of 2015, and no one's been talking about it. In fact, a lot of more mainstream wellness YouTubers are going back on what they used to claim about cholesterol not being critical to keep low in order to mitigate heart disease risk. They have recently been saying, oh, we do think that you need to lower your cholesterol numbers. So Dr. Teicholz is busting all of this and noting that the government quietly dropped its cholesterol cap in 2015. The American Heart Association did so as well 2 years prior in 2013. And people still think that dietary cholesterol is something to fear or to be concerned about. So the truth is that cholesterol is not our enemy, and governments funded large-scale randomized clinical trials testing the link between cholesterol and heart disease found that there was no proof that eating meat, butter, cheese, or other animal products that are notably and known to be high in saturated fat, no link to heart disease with those natural God-given animal products. So these studies have been buried and suppressed. What we're going to get into further on our channel as part of our concept and what we try to do to help people and educate people is explain a little bit more about not cholesterol, but the numbers that you should look for. Just a heads up, that's going to include triglycerides and HDL. And I hope you guys will tune in for more later. Please like, share, and subscribe. And remember, check the link below to migrate to the new channel. Thank you.